If you're looking to integrate Vendasta with Google My Business, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get this set up quickly and efficiently. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Vendasta to streamline your business's Google My Business presence, and I'll even show you how to get started for free with exclusive bonuses. The first thing to understand is that Vendasta is a comprehensive platform that helps businesses manage their online presence, including Google My Business. It's all about simplifying the process so you can focus more on your business rather than on managing tools and integrations. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your Vendasta dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and the best part is you don't need to have technical expertise to navigate the system. Once you're logged in, go to the Marketplace section. There, you'll find a wide range of tools designed to help with SEO, marketing, and managing your business listings, Google My Business being one of them. Next thing, once you're in the Marketplace, look for the Google My Business integration. This is the tool you'll use to link your Vendasta account to your Google My Business profile. It's simple to set up, just click the integration option and you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. This will allow you to manage your Google My Business directly through Vendasta's platform. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that once you've connected Vendasta to Google My Business, you'll have access to a bunch of powerful tools that make managing your online presence easier. From there, you can view your business listings, track performance, and make updates, all from the Vendasta dashboard. Next up, the real magic happens when you use Vendasta to manage reviews. This is where things get really efficient. Vendasta allows you to monitor and respond to Google reviews directly from the platform. So if you're getting lots of customer feedback, you can handle it all in one place, saving you time and ensuring you stay on top of your online reputation. Finally, don't forget that Vendasta offers reporting tools. After linking Google My Business, you'll be able to generate detailed reports on how your business is performing in Google search, what your audience is looking for, and what's driving traffic. This feature is vital for making data-driven decisions that improve your business. Remember, you can start using the software completely free from the first link below. And here's the best part. If you follow that link, you'll also get an extended free trial, which will give you even more time to explore all the features Vendasta has to offer. Now, if you found this video helpful and you're ready to take the next step, make sure you check out that free trial offer and start integrating Vendasta with Google My Business today.